Hello and welcome to the 2016-2017 Technology Department Board Report. I would like to start off with our current work order data. As you can see, our current average close time for the year has once again decreased by 2 days from the previous year. I've also included our close times for tickets created and closed within a particular month. This number has remained fairly consistent over the past 2 years. Now I'd like to talk a little bit about our survey results. In this report I have attached a few of the survey questions and their results. The full survey results are also included as a separate attachment for you to review. Overall, our results were positive across the board. We did have a slight dip here in the first question about the quality and reliability of the services provided by the technology department. Based on the open-ended responses at the end of the survey, I attribute this issue to that we have had with the phone system and also our insufficient bandwidth to handle the number of devices we have on network. And this year, once again, we also have less responses to our survey than previous years. My assumption is the same as what I have had the past few years, in that I believe this is a result of the overall happiness of the services that we provide, and they feel that they have nothing to say. Our number of respondents has dropped from 136 to 86 to 77, and this year to 72. It has been a very common occurrence this year, like I just mentioned, that we have capped our internet, which has caused major issues both wirelessly and hardwired. The number of devices we have, there's too many for the speed of internet that we've had this last year. And as a result, going into next year, we will be upgrading from 100 megabits per second to 1 gigabits per second internet, which is 10 times the speed and allocation. We will also be using the remainder of this year's budget to add 780 Chromebooks and carts to be used as grade level carts over the summer for the use next school year. Another thing we've accomplished this year is replicating all of our server backups to Oregon as a secondary off-site disaster recovery solution. Lastly, I would like to talk about an area that still remains for improvement, and that area is our communication when it comes to tickets and current ticket status. The newsletter has been received very well. However, when it comes to ensuring the status of a ticket and ensuring that it is known when we cannot solve the issue in a quick manner, we tend to fall short. We do also have other areas where we can improve, and that is things like the support of mobile labs and our processes there. Like, we would like to have additional devices on hand in case one of the devices breaks or something like that, so we do not have to wait until we get it repaired or we get a new device in before we can get a working device back in the students' hands. In closing, I would like to thank the board for the continued opportunity to work and improve the environment here at Meridian School District. It is a pleasure to see the growth both with the situation of technology and the technology department in district, as well as in the district as a whole over the past 3 years. Thank you, and have a nice day.